Hello business stars. Welcome to our question paper solving session of O-Levels Business Studies, code 7115, variant 12, May June 2021. And we are on the second episode on solving question number 2, which is in front of your screen. So, the question number 2 says NPX is an online retail business. All orders are sent directly to customers from its warehouse. Since they're an online retail business, they have a warehouse. NPX employs 60 full-time workers. The operations manager is analyzing NPX cash flow forecast, and extract is shown in table 2.1, which is this one. To improve productivity, the manager plans to introduce new technology that can select and pack all the items for each order. This will make 35 workers redundant. The technology will cost $40,000, which is a lot of money. The manager is considering using either internal sources or external sources to finance this technology. So in table 2.1, we can see there's a basic cash flow forecast of July, August, and September. And remember, there are 3 extra zeros that we have to add over here if we need to solve any sums. So business stars, question number 2A is in front of your screen, which is define opening balance. It's a 2-mark question. The answer is it's the amount of cash held by a business at the start of the month or trading period. In question number 2B, we have state 2 ways a business can increase productivity. This is also a 2-mark question. So the first way is improve labor skills or improve training, and the second way is increasing the motivation. Business stars, moving on to question number 2C, which is identify 4 sources of internal finance a business might use. This is a 4-mark question. So since it is already written, right, identify 4 sources, we have to write 4 sources. The first source of internal finance is retained profit. The second one is sale of non-current asset. The third source is sale of inventories or current asset. And the fourth source is owner savings. Okay, so question number 2C is done. Moving on to question number 4D, which is identify 2 possible effects on NPX cash flow forecast of introducing the new technology. So what will happen to NPX if they introduce new technology? What will happen to their cash flow forecast? The first effect is higher repayment cost, initial cost of buying machinery. This is the knowledge. So NPX will have a higher repayment cost when they'll buy the machinery. The explanation is this will increase their cash outflow. This is the analysis, and they will need to pay $40,000 if they plan to introduce this technology, which is part of the application. In effect, too, it will reduce their wage cost. This is the knowledge, and the explanation is as 35 fewer employees will be needed. This was part of the application which was given in the case study, thus lowering their cash outflow. This is the analysis. Remember, in question number 1D, 2D, 3D, and 4D, we have to use a combination of knowledge and application and analysis. Okay, so let's move on to question number 2E. So here we have question number 2E, which speaks of, do you think it is better for a tertiary sector business to use full-time employees rather than part-time employees? Justify your answer. It's a 6-mark question. Again, in a 6-mark question, the combination again arises to knowledge, analysis, and evaluation. Remember, there is no application needed in question number 2E. All right. So a business only has to pay part-time employees for the hours worked. This is the knowledge, reducing its wage cost. This is the analysis. So here we are talking about the advantages of employing a part-time worker. However, using full-time workers means they can provide a consistent service, which is the knowledge, leading to customer loyalty, which is the analysis. So remember, in this answer, we have given one advantage of using a part-time worker, and the other one is using a full-time worker from here, right? Now let's talk about the evaluation. Therefore, I think full-time employees are better, especially for a tertiary sector business, as quality of service is likely to be an important way customers judge the business. This is the first evaluation, and then we're going to write is, and therefore they are more likely to return, ensuring sales. This is the second evaluation. Okay, so that is it. We are done with question number 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, and 2E. So see you on the next episode. For business, commerce, and economics tuitions, you can connect with Muhammad Ishtiaq bin Zaman sir at 01685 221141 or email us at thebusinesssstarbd@gmail.com.